everybody. Happy DIY Thursday. I have my little helper here today. I have two helpers. Come here. Look how pretty my little helpers are. Show everybody the big news this week.
Going on a trip.
Well, no. Show him your arm. No more cast.
No more cast.
Very, very exciting. So I figured since we were down a cast.
First of all, I have to shut off my tablet.
Oh, okay. Go shut off your tablet. She can help me with our recipe today, which is dog shampoo.
Huh?
Dog shampoo.
Riley gets a bath.
Riley gets a bath. I don't know about you guys, but especially in the summer, this dog has the need to roll around in the dirt, in the mud, and whatever disgusting things he can find outside. So he's constant, and we say he smells like atmosphere. I don't know if that's like the right word for it, but he'll go outside just because of the heat and the sweat. He just stinks. So we can see you, baby. You don't have to climb up. Look, stand right here and we can see you better. Look, say hi.
Mom.
So we're going to make a dog shampoo today. I personally only have a foaming. No, you stand right there. They can see you better. If you get up, they can't see you. I only have a foaming container today, so I'm going to make it a foaming shampoo, but the recipe is mostly intended for regular liquid. So Allie's going to help me out here, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have peppermint,
And
cedarwood,
I'm going to
and
do-
Emily, and Castile soap, and what is it?
Water.
Water. Very good, guys. All right, so the recipe is, you guys ready for this? Really,
Yeah.
really difficult. 2 tablespoons of Castile soap.
Yes.
That is to this line right here.
He's saying to end this.
It is not Spanish. I just said Castile. So tell me when it gets to that line. Ready?
Which one?
The 2.
Two.
Don't move it. Don't move it.
2.
Emmy, don't kick me.
That.
All right, good job. Okay, can you pour it into here, please? Very careful.
Can I pour something?
You can pour something too. Pour it in there. Get it in. Get it in. More, 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 more. Pour it, Allie. Pour it.
Mm.
All right.
Wait 1 second.
Now we're going to add our oils. Emmy, you want to help me? Yes or no? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
It
me
is
and mom.
4 drops of peppermint. All right. I'm going to do it, and you're going to help me count. Ready? Oh, be careful. Other hand.
Hold this.
Other hand. Ready? We're going to count 4 drops slowly.
1.
Nope, it didn't drop yet. 1,
1, 2, 3.
4.
4.
Good job. All right.
Now I'm going to get down and watch my tablet, okay, everybody?
Good job. And now we're going to do 5 drops of cedarwood. You ready to count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I think a 6th one snuck in there.
No, like
And
7.
then 5 drops of lavender. Ready? Brand new one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now, swirl it a little bit. And then we're going to add in 1 cup of
Water.
oh, this is a smaller container. So almost a cup of water. Oh, it might even be too much. Let go be. Feel it too much. A little less than a cup of water. Because I'm doing this is an 8-ounce foaming container. And a cup is 8 ounces. So clearly when you add the other things in, it's a little too full. So that's it. That's our DIY doggy shampoo. We're going to give Riley a bath. And I bet he's going to smell
Amazing.
amazing. So again, the recipe is 2 tablespoons of Castile soap, a cup of water, distilled water, 4 drops of peppermint, 5 drops of cedarwood, and 5 drops of lavender. And that's it. I hope you guys all have an awesome weekend. We are going to spend it doing fun summery stuff, right? Yeah. And apparently giving the dog a bath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.